Good day, everyone. So today we're gonna tackle about the composite Greek circle. So we have here the sample problem. A vessels depart from latitude 30 degrees in 41 minutes. Long long one is 070 degrees and 23 minutes west, and arrive at the latitude 2 is 20 minutes and 20 degrees and 26 minutes north, and our long 2 is 010 degrees and 50 minutes west. So the maximum latitude is 47 degrees north. So our given is the latitude, this is the latitude 1, latitude 2, and our LB. So first is we're gonna find our DLO. So to find the DLO is we need the long one and long two. So our long one is 070 degrees and 23 minutes west, and our long two is 010 degrees and 50 minutes west. So dahil same sign ito is we're gonna subtract it. So um long one minus long two is equals to 59 degrees and 33 S. So this is now our DLO. So first is we're gonna find the our longitude where the track meet. So our formula is cos P1 equals tan L1 over tan LB. So equals tan 30 degrees and 41 is 41. And 41 minutes is divided to tan 47 degrees. It is equals to 0.55 0.553201. Then use your scientific calculator and type shift cos 0.553210 is equals to 56.40 degrees. So bring down the 56, then itong 40 is ita-times natin ito sa 60. So 60 times 0.40 degrees. So equals 24 S. So why S yeah is because according to our DLO, the sign of DLO. So our um our long one is 070 degrees 23 minutes west. So dahil different, ayun, dahil hindi ito magkaparehas, is i-ano natin siya, i-minus. So, our P1, 56 degrees and 24 minutes minus to our long one is 070 degrees and 23 minutes west is equals to 013 degrees and 59 minutes west. So, this is our long V1. So, next is need to solve the longitude we're living when leaving the maximum latitude. So our formula is cos P2 equals tan L2 over tan LB. So equals to tan 20 degrees and 26 minutes divide tan 47 degrees is equals to 0.3474169. Then use your scientific calculator and type shift cos 0.3474169 is equals to 69.67 degrees. So bring down the 69, then the 60, then this 67 is we need to times it to 60. So 60 times 0.67 is equals to 40 degrees west. So y west is according to the y west is um the sign of the dilo is opposite. So gamitin natin yung opposite. Halimbawa ito is ito. So ang opposite nito ay west. So kaya west ang ating nilalagay dito. So our long 2 is 010 degrees 50 minutes west. So dahil magkapareha ito ng sign is i-plus natin itong dalawa. So, P2, 69 degrees 40 minutes plus our long 2 is 0, 10 degrees and 15 minutes is equals to 80 degrees and 30 minutes west. This is now our long V2. So next is we need to find the initial course. So our formula is sine angle A is equals to cos LV over cos L1. So our cos LV is 47 degrees and our cos L1 is 30 degrees and 41 minutes. So i-divide natin itong dalawa. Then it is equals to 0.79 0.7930206. Then use your scientific calculator. Then type then um type shift shift sign shift sign 0.7930206 is equals to 52.46 52.46. So bakit ito naging north and east? Ang ilalagay natin ito is north and east um, we need to use the design of our L1 and the DLO. So our L1 is the given of our L1, the sign of given of our L1 is north and our DLO is so that this is our sign. So and at dahil north is ito is kanang is hindi natin ito i-minus or ito plus dahil positive naman ito is plus 0 degrees naman. So our total course is equals to 0.52.46 degrees true course. The next is we need to find the final course. So our formula is sine angle B is equals to sine angle B is equals to cos LB over cos L2. So our LV says cos 47 degrees. Our L2 is cos 20 degrees and 26 minutes. So same lang din dito, i-divide natin itong dalawa. So ang lalabas is itong itong 0.3690863. And use your scientific calculator and then type shift sign 0.369080863 and equals to 39.72. At bakit ito naging southeast? Kasi yung ating L2 is north din kailangan natin is ang opposite ng north, ang opposite ng sign ng L2. So ang opposite ng north is south, so that we will use the south. So south and east. East is the sign of our DLO. So because south and east it is second quadrant, so that we need to use minus 180. So 39.72 minus 180 is equals to 140.28. So of course, this is now our final course. So next is we need to solve the AV1. So our formula is cos AV1 is equal to sine L1 divide sine LV. So our L1 is 30 degrees and 41 minutes minus sine our LV is 47 degrees. So divide natin itong dalawa at ang lalabas is itong 0.697773. Then use your scientific calculator. Then type shift cos 0.697773. Then it is equals to 45.75 rather. Then times to 60. So 45.75 is times to 60 is equals to 2,745 miles. So this is now our AV1. So next is we need to solve the BV2. So our formula is cos BV2 equals sine L2 divide sine LV. So sine our L2 is 20 degrees and 26 minutes then divide sine our LV is 47 degrees. So divide natin itong dalawa at ang lalabas is 0.4773576. Then use your scientific calculator again. Then type cos shift cos 0.4773576 is equals to 61.48 degrees. Then times to 60 is equals to 3,688.8 miles. So this is now our V2. So next is we need to solve our P3. So P3 equals Dilo minus P1 plus P2. So our Dilo is 59 degrees and 33 minutes minus our P1 is 56 degrees and 24 minutes plus our P2 is 69 degrees and 40 minutes. So first is ilalagay muna natin itong i-bring down the below the 59 degrees and 33 minutes. And then itong P1 at P2 is ipa-plus natin itong dalawa. So ang lalabas is 126 degrees and 41 and 4 minutes. And then the next step is itong ating below at nakuha natin dito sa P1 at P2 is ima-minus natin itong dalawa. So ang lalabas is 66 degrees and 31 minutes. So this is now our P3. So next is we need to solve the V1 and V2. So V1 and V2 is equals to P3 times 60 times cos LV. So equals our P3 is 66 degree 31 minutes times 60 times cos our LV is 47 degrees. So ita-times natin ito lahat at ang lalabas is 2,721.9 miles. So this is now our V1 and V2. So next is we need to solve now the total distance. And total distance is, and this is equals to AB1 plus AV2 plus V1 and V2. So our AV1 is 2,745 miles, and our VV2 is 3,688.8 miles, and our V1 and V2 is 2,721.9. So ipa-plus natin ito lahat at ang lalabas is 9,155.7 miles. So this is now our total distance. So next is I will teach you on how to plot on Mercator chart, how to find your position, your bearing, and the distance. So our scenario is at 900 hours, 3 ships were at the vicinity of Dinagat Island with their respective coordinates. So yung una natin gagawin is we need to find our position. So our ship 1 is 10 degrees and 35 minutes north and 125 degrees and 30 minutes east. So first is hanapin natin ang ating ang ating latitude. So 10 degrees and 35 minutes north. So meron tayo ditong pairs of triangle. Ito, then this is 10 degrees. So dyan, ilagay mo dyan. Dyan. Tapos ito, dito sa taas. Dyan. Okay. Then, i-move natin siya sa 35 minutes. Okay. 35 minutes. So this is 35 minutes. Yan yung 35 minutes natin. So, meron na tayong lahat. Ito na yung ating 0 degrees in 35 minutes. So, in second is the longitude. The longitude is 125 degrees. So, 125 degrees. Okay. 125 degrees in 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Oops. Dito yung 30 minutes natin. So, yan. Lagyan lang natin ito ng line. At ito yung ating position sa shape 1. This is itong nasa center na line na to, yung itong nag-cross na line, that is our position sa shape 1. So next is we need to find the position of our shape 2. So our latitude is 10 degrees and 30 minutes. So 10 degrees. Okay. Oops. 10 degrees. Okay, 10 degrees. And move natin siya sa 30 minutes. 10 degrees. Okay, 30 minutes. So this is our latitude. Diyan banda. Next is our longitude, which is the 25 minutes and 44 east. 44 minutes east. So 25 degrees. And 45. 25 and 44. This is 44. So yan. Ito na yung ating position of our shape 2. Ito. Dyan. Next is the position of our shape 3. So our latitude is 10 degrees and 11 minutes. 10 degrees in 11 minutes. 11. Okay. Tapos lampas. Okay, yan. This is 10 degrees in 11 minutes. So, draw a line. And our longitude is 125 degrees and 44 minutes. 125 degrees and 44 minutes. Yun. Okay. So, ito yung ating position of our shape 3. So, now we have a position of our shape 1, shape 2, and shape 3. Our next step is we need to find our bearing or the true course. So, we need to, so this is our ilalay natin ito sa sa position of our ship and to the point of Canhandum point. So, dyan. Okay na yan. Then, i-move natin siya dito sa ating okay. Move. Hanggang dumating siya dito sa gitna. Diyan. Dito sa may bilog, sa may circle. Okay. So, our true course is 205 degrees. So, our true course is 205 degrees true course. This is our bearing, 205 degrees true course. So, next is we need to find, to solve the distance. So, from the position of our ship, okay, to the point of Canhandum point. Okay, so bilang natin ilan to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8.5. Bakit 0.5 is nasa gitna naman siya ng 8 at 9. So 8.5. So our distance is 8.5 nautical mile. So next is we need to find the bearing of our ship to desolation point. So desolation point is here. Diyan sa may sa itong tinatawag na pinakadulo ng isla. Okay. Diyan. Okay. So move natin ito paano? Pataas. Oops. And okay. So our true course is 252. So our bearing is 252 degree true course. Next is we need to solve the distance from our ship to desolation point. So ship to desolation point. Okay. So ilan to? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pala. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6. Our distance is 6 nautical mile. So distance is 6 nautical mile. So next is the bearing of our ship 3. Ship 3 to the peninsula point. Peninsula point. Okay, it's peninsula point. Move. Okay. So, nasa gitna na siya. So, our bearing for the ship 3 is 251 degree. So, 251 degree true course. This is our true course for Peninsula Point. Next is the distance from our ship 3 to Peninsula Point. Okay. So, ilan to? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4.8. So, our distance for ship 3 is 4.8 nautical mile. So, ito na yon. Meron na tayong bearing. Nakuha na natin ang distance ng ship 1, 2, and 3. And that's all. Thank you for watching.